Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another post. Yeah, so today I decided I wanted to create a nice look. So I decided to, as an affiliate, to use the Holo Glitz Gels today, and I am using the shade or the composition Frida, and yeah, this is what I came up with, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And I used some oh my gosh, I used a palette that I've never really used on the channel before. What is the palette called? The palette is called the Instinct palette by Alexis Stone, and it is by Makeup Revolution because they are collaboration. Now, I want to show you some of the shades in this palette. And it's kind of like a rainbowish, but not like, well, some of those shades, like it's very rainbowish, but it's not. Like there's no oranges in there, and the greens aren't green, and then you've got the whole middle section here where it's grey. So it's not really a rainbow palette, but it is kind of like a rainbow palette. So yeah, I really do like the pigmentation from the Alexis Stone Makeup Revolution collaboration Instinct palette. But it's I've had it for I've had it for a while, and it's not one that I go to. I don't know why, but the pigments are really nice, pressed pigments. So we're gonna go into the tutorial, and I'm gonna show you some other stuff that I'm going to be doing later. So using the Morphe brush M222, I'm going in with the shade 22, and I'm thankful that this Alexis Stone palette does not have any shade names, it just has numbers, so I can't go wrong in mispronouncing anything. But yes, as you can see, I'm just going to concentrate that in my crease and just above before I go on to my next shade. And you might notice that I've left some space where the inner corner is, where I haven't gone all the way in, just because that's where I'm going to use my next shade. I'm going to bring my next shade from the top into that space where I have left it. So going in with the Morphe 431, I'm using shade 15, and it is a obviously lighter shade of red. It's not a pink, it's just a lighter shade of red, and I'm just concentrating that all around my brow bone and then bringing it down into that corner and obviously blending it in with the shade 22. Going into shade 25, I'm using the Morphe brush M507, and I'm just going to blend in that black into the shade 22, because I am going to cut my crease. But today I decided I was going to do a really weird cut crease, so some of what I'm doing now isn't really important, but just watch anyway, because you'll see exactly why it's not important on the whole terms of me cutting my crease today. And then I'm going back in with the shade 22 because we had lost that just a little bit, and then I'm obviously going to make it look gradiated rather than just a big blob of muckiness. So cutting my crease with the shade Natural, I believe, from the LA Girl Pro Concealers, I'm just using the detailing brush from Real Techniques, and I was listening to Circus by Britney Spears, that album, you know, years ago, and yeah, I decided to make this cut crease look a very
clownish, so I'm going to bring that all the way up to my brow bone, so you can understand why that black really isn't important. And obviously I'm also going to be putting some glitter on afterwards, so that black isn't really going to show through either. Like, yeah, I don't know why I did it, but yeah, I think it brings the look a little bit together, but it really isn't really needed. Using the Morphe brush M167, I'm just packing on Red Dwarf from the Intergalactic palette, just because I wanted a really stark red, like very vibrant. And the Alexis Stone palette, although the colors are vibrant, they weren't as vibrant as I wanted them to be. So therefore, this is the brightest red I could find, just to give like a little contrast between the darker reds that you can see there. And then I'm going back in with the black shade just to blend that together. Just, you know, just doing whatever I'm doing, to be honest. I'm just blending whatever, and then I'm going to line my eyes afterwards once I've fixed up that little smudge, because I felt like that has just messed up, but it doesn't matter, we'll put in glitter on top over anyway, so all of this will be fixed soon. Anyway, I'm going to line my eyes kind of not sloppily, but yeah, it's going to go over the tape just so that that line is very crisp and clear afterwards. Now I'm going in with the glitters from Wikked Artistry, and the shades that the glitters that I'm using are the Friday glitters, and it's the Holo Glitz Gel, and I've got a discount code and a affiliate link down below in the description, so if you want to go check out their website, you can use my code for a 10% discount. Yeah, look at me plugging stuff and all, but yeah, they're a fantastic company. But yeah, just putting that all over the crease that I've cut, and I'm going to try my best to wait for this to dry before I continue on with the next part of the look. I mean, these do kind of dry down very quickly, but yeah, you don't need any glue or anything, they're self-adhesive. So yeah, I'm just placing that on with a just standard brush basically. I don't even know what brush this is because it doesn't have any name. It's just from Amazon or something like that. Using bronzed from the Glow Kit Sun Dipped Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette, I'm using a Morphe M326 just to, you know, give a little pop to this whole look. Although the glitter's already doing that. So I've just done my skin off camera, and now I'm just highlighting my inner corners with that same bronzed, mixed in with a little another lighter shade of highlighter, because I can't remember the name right now. And as you can see, I've got a red lip on, which I will maybe, am I going to do anything to my lip? I think I'm going to highlight my lip just a little bit, but yeah, you'll see. I'm going to get there in a jiffy. I know I'm being really like just not into this right now, but whatever, you can see the look. Yes, I am highlighting my lip. Yay, I got there in the end. You know, I do pre-record my recordings like at the same time, don't worry. Anyway, that is the final look, and you're going to see me switch it up just a little bit. What am I going to do? Oh, I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina Collection Electric Cake Liner just to spruce up this look afterwards. So I'm just going around and creating some details, some graphic details, just because I got these electric cake liners the other day, and I thought, you know what, let me just test them out and see what I can do with them.
So Marbites, that's how I got the looks. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait until the next video, okay? Did you check out the Pride look? Oh my gosh, if you didn't check out the Pride look, why did you not?
Rogue Marby Scott.